overrated or underrated? Are the hacks actually worth it? Time to find out. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. How is everyone doing? My name is Ayesha and my channel is all about makeup. In today's video, I am going to test out some of the viral hacks and I am actually going to give you an honest opinion about whether the hacks are actually worth it or not. So let's start the video now. For today's video, I am not going to start directly from the eye makeup. I am going to change my look a bit. I'm going to start with the face products first. But before I start with the face product, I never thought in a million years that I'll be able to find a brow hack for this year. But as I was lying in my bed, almost asleep, scrolling through all the reels, I came across this really unusual brow hack that I really want to try. So now let's do it. Here's the thing. I'm going to do the hack on this side of my eyebrow first to see if it actually works or not. If it does work, I will do the same on this side. What the person did was that she added tape to the surrounding of her eyebrow. Let me show you how. Like this. I don't have a colorful tape. I just have this tape. So, okay, I took a smaller piece. Let's do the bigger piece. Okay, this is better. Medium sized. Okay, we can do it. I can do it. Okay, done. So now the next thing is to just dab small. Okay. Now taking the eyeshadow which almost matches my brow color. And then just dabbing it here. I made a little boo-boo, but it's okay. We'll fix the boo-boo. Taking it off from under here first. And here. Oh no. I mean, okay, this looks, it's almost filled in. I don't have to do much with it right now. But the amount of work I had to do, it's more like an inconvenience than a hack, honestly. Plus, this looks very unreal and unnatural. I can do my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil much more quickly than I did this with the tape and the eyeshadow. So a big no. Now this is considered a hack, but it is just cleaning the eyebrows with a concealer. And I feel to date, this is the best concealer hack ever. Now this is a foundation hack. We have all seen influencers adding foundation to their water and then applying it to their face. But this was very unique. So it was just rubbing the ice onto the face directly to stop it from caking. Just rubbing it for 2 minutes. I'm stopping and now I'm applying foundation on my face. This side first. Non-caking. If you can see, there are no small lumps of any sort, no cakiness on the side of my face. It is such a smooth application. So this hack, nice, 10 on 10. Hack approved. What I'm about to do next is more like a tip than a hack. That instead of drawing a triangle, let's do just dotting. But let's try it both ways. So, triangle. Let's sit for 2 seconds. Now let's blend. I'm going to blend this side first, the triangle side. Now, this side is more full coverage. It has given me more brightening under my eye. But now let's blend this side. Okay, comparing the two. This has given me a more lifted look. This is taking my face a bit down. Well, honestly, I prefer this side. Less product, more lifted. This is better. So 10 on 10 on this concealer hack slash tip. Now, this hack I know will sound very strange, but it's called a tissue hack for the powder. So just folding it into a triangle, the tissue. Okay. I'm trying. Okay. Now, making a corner like this and another corner. Something like this. So I can reach, instead of a puff, I'll be using the tissue. I'm just going to take some powder on the. This is going to be a bit difficult, but it's okay. I can do it. I'm just going to fold it into a corner and I'm just going to take some on the corner. I'm just going to apply some under my eye. Some hacks don't even understand why they're even on the internet. When I have a puff, why would I use this? Probably in an emergency, but what kind of emergency are we looking for? Are we stranded on an island? I don't know. This side, the application is not the smoothest. On this side with the puff, it is smooth. The tissue was rough. I had to actually drag it along. So, no, thank you. I would rather not. I would rather use my own puff than the awful tissue. The next hack is actually pretty interesting. It's more like a hairband hack for contouring. Let's try it out. So the first step is to contour the hairline. So just adding some hair. This is actually nice, man. I can actually blend. I can push my hair back with the hairband and then I can actually blend everything out. And wow. Now the next step is to just take it down, applying it here. For the forehead, it was over the band, and for the cheeks, it is under. This was easy. It actually gave me a line, a defined line of where I have to actually contour, where I have to add a bit of a depth to my face, and wow, I like this hack. 10 on 10. Now we have all seen the blush, highlighter, and the contouring placement on the cheeks. No, actually, it's opposite. It's contouring, blush, and highlighter. This lady is doing it opposite, so I'm going to try it out. Let's try this hack. Okay, my jawline is here. I'm just going to put some hair along my finger. Now, instead of placing the blush right next to it, just add the highlighter here. Make it a V. Let me clean the edges because I feel that I overdid the contouring. And let's see what goes on next. This is giving me a more lifted look. I like this hack. This is nice. This is nice. Let me do this side and I'll be right back. Now, moving on to the eyes. Let's do the eyeshadow. Now, this hack is an eyeshadow hack. What this lady did was place a cleaning pad, a makeup remover wipe, and took a small fluffy brush, something like this, an eyeshadow of, and just added it here along the line. I didn't have to add tape to this look. Now the other side. Okay, I have a hood hair, so I'm just going to go a bit on the top from the hood, taking the same eyeshadow. Just drawing the line. Okay, that's bad. So let's blend it. Let me do this side and I'll be right back. Okay, now last step, adding the metallic to the center. This is a cool hack, man. I got done with my eyeshades in literally 2 minutes. Do you want to turn your monochrome pencils to multichrome pencils? I hope this hack works. What this lady did was she took a monochrome pencil, something like this, and she dipped it in metallic eyeshadow. I'm taking this green one right here. And then she applied the liner. Okay, it looks dual shade because obviously there is a metallic eyeshadow, but let me finish this side first. This looks nice, but this is not a time saving hack, honestly. It's very time consuming. So, this is something I do, and I feel this takes much, much less time. So, this is something I like to do. Just apply the liner I want to apply. So now, taking a very small brush, something like this, and the same eyeshadow, just add it on the liner. Work in small sections. And same thing, both sides. This looks much more vibrant than this side because dipping the pencil in the eyeshadow and then applying it, it was not giving it the shade I wanted for the multichrome. So let me just fix it and I'll be right back. Now this one is a mascara hack. It is supposed to turn the eyelashes into fake lashes. Now this is how I usually do my mascara. Just applying it. Now just take some powder and then apply the mascara with the powder. This is a loose powder that I'm taking, which is falling on over my face, but I will fix it. Doesn't look like falsies to me. Looks like my normal lashes. I'm into ombre lips and I really want to try this hack. I saw this online and I really want to try it. Okay, so adding the darkest shade to the side, then the lighter to the edges. I added the lightest to the center, but I don't have a lightest here, so I'm just adding the concealer. Okay. Ooh, this looks nice. So I'm done with my entire face. Tried all the hacks, and now let's review which hacks I didn't like. The eyebrow hack, a no go. The mascara hack, that was a big miss. Now the hacks that I actually liked. Foundation hack, 10 on 10. The eyeshadow hack, excellent. The band contouring hack, wow. The blush highlighter contour placement hack, no, I think I did something wrong, but I will try it again. The ombre lips hack, wow. Oh, these are all the hacks that I tried today that I really, really wanted to try. So, are there any hacks you want me to try out for you? Liner hack, I'm not a fan of. Do write in the comments what hacks you want me to try for you. I would definitely do that. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends. And do subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.